Now let's have a look at the code itself. You can check out the organization page for RWKV, and there are several models listed out there. There's the version 5 models, there's the version 4 models, the 3 billion models, the 1 billion 5 models. Today let's explore the 1 billion model and 7 billion model. There's also a Gradio demo app from where we can check it out. How about let's see what this says. Using the very detailed plan to create flying saucers. So let's just do a recap of what this RNN model is. It's a 7.25 billion model, the latest one. It uses the new RWKV v5 architecture. The details are not published yet. Hopefully they will be published soon. It's trained on 1.1 trillion tokens and over 100 languages, and the inference speed and the cost is 10 to 100 times lower depending upon the context length, and it beats all the 7 billion class models in multilingual benchmarks and similar English performance to Llama 2 and Mistral 7B, and it has an Apache 2.0 license. So let's just primer about the RWKV architecture. Linear transformer architecture. It's a combination of RNN plus transformer. No attention mechanism is in this architecture. It's making it memory efficient for long contexts. Replaces query key attention with RKV scalar formulation, and memory scales linearly instead of quadratically like transformers. It enables parallelization like a transformer, particularly good for low resource languages and long context processing, but does exhibit prompt sensitivity and weaker loopback. So if I were to ask, you can say this is yeah, I'm given a prompt. Here's a very detailed plan to create flying saucers. 2 sheets of aluminum foil, 100% recycled, so environment friendly. 1 sheet of plastic wrap, polyethylene, 1 roller block. Okay, this ain't too good, it seems. And this is a demo that's running on T4, and you can check it out in the Hugging Face space. But what I'm trying to do is use that for our context, and I'm gonna use the 1 billion model on the Google Colab and the other one in the okay, so there's some issue with it. Let's see what the issue is. But I also have a 7 billion model that I've started up using the GPU provider runpod IO, and let's look at what we can achieve through the RWKV model. The code is all present in Hugging Face itself. I gave it a prompt like tell me about the theory of relativity. Hi, I am so the assistant replied with, the theory of relativity is a scientific theory that describes the relationship between space and time and the relationship between the laws of physics and the behavior of matter and energy. It was developed by Albert Einstein in the early 20th century and is considered one of the most important scientific theories of all time. The theory of relativity has main two parts: specific special relativity and general relativity. Deals with the special relativity deals with the relationship between space and time and the relation between the laws of physics and the behavior of matter and energy in the absence of gravity. How about Carl Jung and depth psychology? It's quite fast, to be honest with you. I have a problem. Oh my god. So this is a problem with the Google Colab. If you don't have the Premier account, like the system keeps crashing often, so that's why I spin up this instant for the GPU. Carl Jung was it's really fast too. Carl Jung was a Swiss psychiatrist and psychoanalyst who is considered one of the founders of analytical psychology. He developed a theory of personality that emphasized the importance of unconscious mind and the collective unconscious, which he believed to be the repository of all human experience. Importance of unconscious mind and the collective unconscious, which he believed to be the repository of all human experience, like the repository we have of code base codes. The collective maybe for AI sentience. The collective unconscious is for the repository of all human experience for the mind, for the humans. Jung's theory of personality is based on the idea that there are two parts to the human psyche, the conscious and the unconscious mind. The conscious mind is a part of the mind that is aware and conscious of our thoughts, feelings, and actions. The unconscious mind, on the other hand, is a part of the mind that is aware and is not. How about Jordan Peterson? Oh my god, I'm sorry. Right. So running it yourself is as simple as importing the auto model for causal LM, auto tokenizer. Then you give it this prompt format, the instructions, we strip and replace it, the input, we strip and replace it, and then the input goes here, and the instruction input goes here, and the output is assistant. The model we initialize the model, we initialize the tokenizer, and we just give it the input. It's as simple as how we run all the other LLMs. So Jordan Peterson, so here we have, is a Canadian clinical psychologist, professor and author. He is known for his controversial views on topics such as gender, sexuality, and political correctness. Peterson has gained a large following on social media and has been prominent figure. Okay. How do you know that? Well, I really love this model. Like it's Orion's belt. So here you see Orion's belt is a belt of 3 bright stars that form a diagonal line across the night sky. It is located in the constellation of Orion and it is visible to the naked eye. The 3 stars that make up the belt are Betelgeuse, Razel, and Bellatrix. Betelgeuse is the brightest star in Orion's belt and is a red supergiant star. It is located about 600 light years away from Earth and is about 100 times larger than our Sun. I did not know any of that. Betelgeuse is the brightest star in Orion's belt and it's a red supergiant star, which is located about 600 light years away from the Earth and is about 10 times larger than our Sun. Razel is the second brightest star in Orion's belt and is a blue supergiant. This is amazing. Like this model. Hopefully, I will integrate this model with other services and projects, and I'm really excited to get this going. Like this is another tool to the arsenal of AI developers, and I hope to do more with this. This is really amazing, to be honest with you. Okay, see you in the next one. Take care.